find your center point, spray out, check your orientation with external features, and then do a dry lay just to make sure it all looks right. And then we're going to stack these pieces in order. So that's the square kit. So stack them there, stack our other ring to hand. First bit going in is your circle, and you can again measure off our datum. But we'll show you that step now. Tools you'll need: shovel for some of the larger pieces, trowels, rubber mallet, haunching trowel, and now I've just set up a string line. So yours will be different at home, of course. It's pretty much just to ensure you got the right fall on your center pieces and the first couple of rings. So we're obviously matching top of the step to top of the step. There's a string line. So now I can bed up, match my ring, crack on. Alright, so as you can see, so we've got the basic circle in. So this is usually where we leave it, but in this very special edition we're going to be doing the squaring off, the square off kit. We haven't picked the best day weather-wise for this installation video, so I hope you can hear us okay. Circle's in, Greg's just leveling off our final piece, and we can square this bad boy off. So now I'm just going to run you through a couple of tidy little details that might save you a few headaches when you come to install your own circle at home. So first of all, you might notice there's quite a bit of variability in the join width, these edges in particular, and this we traced from the original kit. So again, I'm just sort of showing you the tolerance to expect. You can see, so this join lines up, that's off a little bit, but again, it's the kit, so this is what we've been provided, and in our experience all of the kits have this similar sort of tolerance. So yeah, don't be too hard on yourself. So that's the first thing I want to touch on, is the sort of tolerance to expect. So next thing I want to touch on is again is particularly associated with a riven, so a textured finish. So you can get these kits in a honed finish, and I would expect the joints to be much higher tolerance, so much less all over the place, because it will be a cut finish, so you're going to want that to look pretty spot on. But anyway, we're talking about a riven circle today. Again, you sort of need to pick the height that you're going for, because you can see there's quite a lot of undulations on here, so you can see under my level it's all pretty good from this perspective. But then you move it over a couple of mil and we get a little bit of a seesaw, because you can see here we've got a high riven that then drops down to a low. Unless it's a very, very high point, I usually just do low to low. So you can see here, low to low, and then that's high. It's a gap under the level. But as you can see, the high spot is only a small percentage of this slab. So I think probably my main advice would be low to low, and also just be aware of puddles and things. So if you can, try and get a low spot to an edge to then it can flow out. Also, as you come to your last piece of the ring, you may have to just slide the adjoining pieces over ever so slightly so it will fit in, or to just get a more even joint space. so that's absolutely fine as well. Yeah, another little detail, obviously use primer on all of your pieces. That primer also helps you sort of slide things around, and then that will just re-adhere to the bed. I think that's about it. If you've got any questions, leave us a comment below. Check us out on Instagram, we've got Matipo Landscaping.